What if everything you see, touch, and know, every star, every planet, every galaxy, even you, even me, is just a tiny fraction of reality? What if the vast, shimmering cosmos you perceive is merely a cosmic illusion, a fleeting shadow cast by something infinitely larger, stranger, and entirely unseen? Because that's the shocking truth. Everything we call normal matter, protons, neutrons, electrons, everything that makes up the stunning nebulae, the scorching suns, the living, breathing worlds, it's just 5% of the universe. The other 95%? It's utterly invisible. Silent. Mysterious. It does not reflect light. It does not emit light. It does not absorb light. It just is. And its existence bends the very fabric of reality. For centuries, we believed we were getting closer to understanding the cosmos. With every new telescope, every new equation, the universe unfolded a little more. We mapped the stars, charted the galaxies, even witnessed the echo of the Big Bang itself. We thought we had a pretty good grasp. But then, the cosmic accountants started noticing a gaping hole in their ledgers. A colossal, unexplained deficit. The first clues were subtle, almost imperceptible. Back in the 1930s, astronomer Fritz Zwicky was studying the Coma cluster of galaxies. He noticed something impossible. The galaxies within the cluster were moving far too fast. So fast, in fact, that by all known laws of physics, the cluster should have torn itself apart long ago. Yet, it hadn't. It was holding together, bound by an unseen gravitational force, far greater than all the visible galaxies combined. Decades later, Vera Rubin confirmed this cosmic anomaly while studying spiral galaxies. She observed that stars at the outer edges of galaxies were orbiting at the same speed as stars closer to the center. Think of it like a merry-go-round. The horses on the outside spin faster than those in the middle. But in galaxies, everything was moving almost in lockstep. This defied Newton's laws of gravity, which predicted outer stars should move slower. The only explanation? There had to be an enormous, invisible halo of mass surrounding and permeating these galaxies, extending far beyond their visible boundaries. A gravitational behemoth that we simply couldn't see. Enter the first major player in our invisible universe, dark matter. It's the cosmic glue, the unseen scaffold upon which galaxies are built. We call it dark because it doesn't interact with light or other electromagnetic radiation. It doesn't scatter, absorb, or emit. It's completely transparent, making it utterly undetectable by our current instruments. It just drifts through everything, a ghost in the machine of the cosmos. Imagine trying to see the wind. You can't, but you see its effects on the trees, the leaves, the ripples on a pond. Dark matter is like that. We don't see it, but we see its profound gravitational footprint. Its gravity warps space-time, bending light from distant objects, an effect called gravitational lensing. When we look at massive galaxy clusters, the images of background galaxies are stretched and distorted, like funhouse mirrors. By measuring these distortions, scientists can map the distribution of dark matter, tracing out vast, intricate cosmic webs that connect galaxies and clusters, creating the large-scale structure of the universe. These invisible filaments and nodes hold everything together, a universe-spanning skeleton that we can only infer. But the universe held an even bigger, stranger secret. In the late 1990s, astronomers studying distant supernovae made a truly shocking discovery. They expected the expansion of the universe, set in motion by the Big Bang, to be slowing down over time due to gravity. Instead, they found the opposite. The universe wasn't just expanding, it was accelerating. Galaxies were flying apart from each other at ever-increasing speeds. This was like throwing a ball into the air, expecting it to slow down, only for it to speed up and disappear into the sky. This incredible acceleration required an entirely new, even more enigmatic force. Something that wasn't pulling things together, but actively pushing them apart. Something embedded in the very fabric of space itself. We call it dark energy. It's the second major component of the invisible universe, and it is by far the most dominant. Dark energy is thought to be a property of space itself, a constant push that grows stronger as space expands, further accelerating the expansion. It's a mysterious, anti-gravitational force, woven into the very vacuum of existence, making up the vast majority of everything. So, let's break down the true composition of your reality, the reality the universe has been hiding from you. The visible universe, all the stars, planets, nebulae, galaxies, every atom you can observe, accounts for a mere 5% of cosmic density. The mysterious dark matter, the invisible gravitational glue holding galaxies together, makes up approximately 27%. And the truly baffling dark energy, the force pushing everything apart at an accelerating rate, constitutes a staggering 68% of the entire universe's mass and energy. Think about that. Everything you've ever known, every cosmic wonder captured by the Hubble telescope, every scientific theory about how the universe works, it's all built upon just 5% of the total picture. We are, quite literally, living in a cosmic shadow. Our entire understanding of reality is based on a tiny fraction of what's truly out there and what's truly driving the universe. This isn't just a scientific curiosity, this is reality. This invisible 95% dictates the ultimate fate of the cosmos. Will the universe expand forever, eventually ripping apart every galaxy, every star, every atom in a big rip powered by dark energy? Or will dark energy eventually weaken, allowing gravity to pull everything back together in a big crunch? We don't know. Because the forces dominating our universe remain, for now, completely hidden from our sight. The universe is a vast, bewildering, and mostly secret place. It's a place where our understanding is still in its infancy, where the fundamental truths are hidden behind veils of cosmic mystery. What other realities, what other forces, what other secrets is the universe still keeping from us? The journey to uncover them has only just begun. What mind-bending discoveries await us next? Subscribe to Space Facts for more cosmic mysteries and join us as we explore the universe, one hidden truth at a time.